Hello ladies and gentlemen, Tacoma SRT5 coming at you today with another golf cart build video. I'm just getting home from work here and I couldn't be more excited for my son, who has been talking about this all week long. He knows I ordered an engine for the golf cart and he gets really excited anytime I mention it. So I'm doing a surprise video slash unboxing of this engine, and so without further ado, let's go. Let's surprise him. There it is. I hear him. Michael! Hey, buddy. So, what have we been talking about coming in lately? Huh?
The new engine.
Yeah? Are you excited?
Yeah.
What's here? What's here?
I do not even know that.
What is it? What is it?
We came out here for 100 times up front and we didn't even see this.
You came out here 100 times before and you didn't see it?
Yeah.
Well, it just came today, buddy. What do you think?
Right.
Where are you going? Mow the lawn? No.
He said just to look around.
Oh.
Can I ride my bike?
Not right now, honey. We're going to open this.
Okay.
Michael! Come on, buddy. We're going to open it. Come on. I know. That's called a go-kart. The neighbors have a go-kart. Come on, buddy. Hey. Michael, Violet.
I want to try.
They listen so well. Come on, let's go. People are waiting to see this. So we have the Predator 440.
Just a second, okay?
Okay.
Where's the mail?
We have the Predator 440, 13 horse engine. Michael!
The no engine is the mail.
The new engine is the mail. Okay. Well, maybe we'll do the next edition. They don't seem to be interested right now. Oh, he's off telling the neighbors. We'll be back.